Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will to discuss about dark side of tourism. Let's go. Cleanliness in tourism. Padang Air Manis Beach is one of the popular tourist destinations, which is always crowded with people and tourists. This beach is known for its small waves, has a beautiful panorama, and the Air Manis Beach has the legendary stone of Malin Kundang, where tourists can take picture with stones Malin Kundang. But this beach is less attractive to other tourists because of the lack of cleanliness in this coastal area. Plastic and wood waste scattered around the beach, and so does the cleanliness of the toilet dirt, very different from the cleanliness of beaches abroad. One of the Yuigahama beaches in Japan. Yuigahama Beach is a beach close to Hase Station on the Northern Line. Visitors can enjoy their summer until the end of the season. Visitors can enjoy the fresh and clean air that the beach provides. The cleanliness of the beach there is very well preserved. The beauty and cleanliness of the beach is what adds to interest tourists or tourists to visit. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of the beach by walking around the beach, and visitors can also enjoy cafes and restaurants near the beach that are suiting to the age. Bad effect of tourism to environment. There are many disadvantages that tourism causes to the environment. Tourism can often cause environmental damage with risks such as erosion, pollution, loss of natural habitat, and forest fires. Coral reefs and other natural attractions can suffer permanent damage as destinations develop. More and more tourists are looking for experience. The impact also increases the need for water for washing. Disposing of waste and drinking is increasing. Rivers can be changed, overdubbed, and polluted by tourist demand. As more and more tourists come, there is an increase in food and beverage consumption, which in turn creates plastic waste and non-biodegradable products. The beauty of the tourist area can actually be threatened as the number of visits increase. Tourism, which on the one hand helps the region economic growth, but backfires for its natural preservation.
Bali, for example, in 2017 experienced a gerbek emergency. The 6 kilometers of coastline covering popular beaches such as Jimbaran, Kuta, and Seminya are crammed with tons of trash. Thailand has even closed Koh Tachai Island from tourist visits due to the crisis of waste and food scrap that destroy the ecosystem there, and also the exploitation of tourism has a negative impact on natural resources and the environment.
Bad effect of tourism on people and their culture. Besides that, the bad effect of tourism can also have impact on society and their culture. It is important to do research on the norms and traditions of any new places you will visit. For example, wearing shorts in Bali. It's okay. However, if you travel to other islands in Indonesia, such clothes might offend the locals. In India and Nepal, you cannot shake hands or give us money with your left hand. In some cases, you may be scolded by people. In other cases, you may go to jail. Tourists often, through ignorance and carelessness, fail to respect local customs and moral values. This can lead to growing irritation in the community due to the bad behavior of tourists, which disrupts local culture and creates unrest among the community. Some people may be seduced by easy money from tourists and decide to engage in criminal activities. This has led to an increase in crime and antisocial activities, as well as a loss of moral and religious values. First, culture-destroying tourism, namely cultural commercialization, counterfeit cultural attraction or production, cultural modification, and tourism research show that tourism has damaged or destroyed local culture. Tourism directly forces local cultural expressions to be modified to suit tourism needs. Cultural expressions are commodified so that they can be sold to tourists, where the culture that used to be the consumption of the local people has now become consumption for tourists. In addition, the impact of the era globalization has brought change and development in tourism, namely the motivation of tourists in the choosing tourist object. One of them is the presence of tourists to the tourist village, which causes interaction with local residents. The community will accept the entry of foreign elements and will give a certain response, but indirectly, the influence of culture has shifted the rules and pattern of life. The result of this shift will cause some institutions to face social issues such as gotong royong and other social divisions. Lack of togetherness and hope on the one hand foster a spirit of individualism, which result in people's life tending to be competitive and consumptive, which seem to dominate money in people's life. Some examples of other negative impacts that can be seen in general are in the tourist village of Brayut, Nglangeran, and Kali Biru, namely a shift in religious understanding and a shift in values, namely the meaning of togetherness in society, including loss or reduction in charity, the emergence of individualistic attitudes. Elsewhere, Chiang Kan Country in Lui Province, Thailand has been recognized as an important cultural tourism destination in the northwest. When the Thai tourism industry developed, many cultural products of the Chiang Kan people were deliberately modified to be sold to tourists. For example, residents' traditional houses were deliberately renovated into a homestay were then offered to tourists. Another cultural commodification occurred in the ritual of giving glutinous rice to the monks, which is usually done by local residents. That's all for today. See you in the video next week. If there is any mistake in the pronunciation or something else, you can comment it below. Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.